Planet Hollywood, Costa Rica. Bring your family to the spotlight in Costa Rica, where Hollywood-inspired luxury meets tropical beauty. Just 30 minutes from Liberia International Airport, Planet Hollywood Costa Rica invites you to vacation like a star with all-inclusive dining, themed entertainment, family-friendly activities, and unforgettable adventures in paradise. Upgrade to Star Class for exclusive perks, VIP areas, and personalized service that make every stay shine brighter. Make a splash in 2 refreshing pools while little stars enjoy the dedicated kids' splash pad. Swim-up bars keep drinks flowing. The hot tub invites relaxation, and poolside entertainment brings the fun from day to night. Discover the new Royalton Suites and Villas, featuring our most exclusive accommodations. Overwater Bungalows, Chairman Suites, and Presidential Suites, crafted for those who expect the extraordinary. These next-level escapes redefine all-inclusive luxury with enhanced Diamond Club experiences and curated service. Stay spectacularly in our Junior Suites, featuring 1 king or 2 queen beds, a spacious lounge area with a sofa bed, and a private balcony with views of the lush garden or stunning Gulf of Papagayo. These lavish accommodations are fully decked out with elite spa bath amenities and handcrafted fabulous bed mattresses. Pamper yourself in the rain shower and enjoy star treatment with our 24-hour room service. Celebrate a world of flavors in one of our Planet Hollywood by Royalton restaurants. From specialty coffees, healthy smoothies, and signature cocktails like our pH Purple Haze to vegan, vegetarian, and gluten-free choices. We are committed to giving you a memorable, highlight reel-worthy experience that is tailored to your taste. You will never go thirsty with our wide selection of international and local brands at our all-inclusive bar. Star Class members also enjoy access to the exclusive The Green Room Lounge with a selection of premium liquor. Gather with family and friends around the rooftop fire pit for panoramic ocean views by day and starry skies by night. Share stories, toast the moment, and soak in pura vida together. Live your action scene on the water with kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, and Hobie Cat Sail. Try an introductory scuba diving test and create unforgettable family memories on Costa Rica's famed Pacific Coast dive dive. Serve, set, and spike on our beachside volleyball court. Make new friends, or challenge your crew for a little friendly competition under the sun. Recharge at PX Spa with a menu of indulgent treatments, from massages and facials to hydrotherapy. A serene escape designed to relax your body and refresh your spirit. Stay active with PH Fit, offering professional-led classes, cardio equipment, and strength training in a fully equipped gym. Balance your Hollywood-inspired vacation with workouts that keep you moving. Feel like a star with our exclusively designed group rates intended to make your function a breeze. From group check-in to group signature drinks upon arrival, we have carefully selected perks to ensure that everyone has a memorable adventure. We promise to plan an unforgettable wedding on the beach, rooftop, terrace, or overwater pavilion, surrounded by lush rainforests and an abundance of flora and fauna. From our personal planners to our on-site coordinators, we offer only the best. Our Planet Hollywood Costa Rica by Royalton Meeting and Event Venues will transform any conference or board meeting into a full red carpet experience. From rooftop terraces and beachfront settings to impressive conference spaces, gather in style. Host a headline-worthy event at Planet Hollywood Costa Rica by Royalton and enjoy the best in perks and incentive. Give your attendees the star treatment they deserve. Select from a number of perks and incentives that offer extra VIP services, welcome amenities, upgrades, discounts, group rates, and more.